Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are discussing about how you can change your name in your PayPal account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First of all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.paypal.com. Once you type this URL in, you will end up in the official website of PayPal. So in the account section, all you need to do is simply tap on the change name. So once you tap on change name, you need to type in what name you want to set in your PayPal account. So once you type in your name, you need to hit the continue button. And for more and further verification, you should also verify your government ID or upload a government issued photo ID of your name that has been changed on PayPal. Once you do this, you can change name in PayPal. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.